Hi guys, so today I'm doing my visual stories, cooking with shrimp, cooking with sprout, and yeah. So we're making ramen today, and let me just get the ramen. Okay, got the ramen here. You can read this if you want to. Giving you a few seconds. Yeah. Okay, so we already got our water, and let me grab it. Okay, so we're supposed to put it in here, guys. We're supposed to put it in here to make our ramen. I think you're supposed to let it go up first. Yeah, you're supposed to let it go up first. Let me do this off camera, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. So we've got our water now, and let me just close this. And when we start it, I'm gonna ask my mom how long it takes. So be right back. I'm back, guys. So our water's supposed to boil for this. Hold on. So we got our ramen here, and we're supposed to put the season. And this is really hot sauce, guys. So I suggest you don't put it in. But that brown one. The brown one is really, really hot. It might burn your tongue.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
So we're just gonna add this one?
Yeah, just add that one.
Make sure you put it on a plate so you won't burn yourself.
Yes. Put it on a plate so you don't burn yourself.
So you wanna do it?
Yeah.
You put the packet in the.
You can press off camera. Wait. Here. Mommy. Wait. Alright. Now guys, make sure you want to put the whole thing in there. Like put it all in there.
Make sure you get it in the thing. Get it all over the place.
Sorry. I'm not really good at this stuff, guys.
Yes, you are. You are good at it.
Okay. Let me
Is that all of it?
No.
Oh, Alex! You got it everywhere.
Sorry.
Okay. Water is boiling. Okay. You can turn it off. And where you want to fill it to, it's a line on the side of the noodles. Like right there, it says a fill line.
Yeah.
That's where you want to fill the water to, okay?
Okay.
You want me to do it?
Yes. I want you to do it, Mom.
So get an adult to do this, guys.
Yeah. Wow. Get an adult to do this, guys.
Wow, it says the fill line.
Yeah. And now we wait. And now we stir it and wait for 5 minutes. When 5 minutes is over, I'm going to pause the video. I'll see you later, guys. Pause. Alright, guys. So we're back, and it's been 5 more minutes. And yeah. So this should be ready now. Let me do this off camera again. Sorry, guys. And look at this, guys. We got our ramen today. Well, not today, but we got our ramen, and it looks really delicious. I'm gonna ask Sprout if he wants some. Sprout, do you want some? Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, I want some. I want to have some. Let me have some. I want some. Okay. Come on, Sprout. Let's go. All right. Yeah. Hold on. Pause.